my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.2, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel itself features 8 cars and reserve the right to refunding hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy your stay. Services and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various maintenance and cleaning policy. If you are planning to book it, you can use the free link provided in the description.